double thanks.
I love you. Thank you so much.
Love you more.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Pero siya yung unang titikim.
Vlog.
Happy birthday to me. Thank you, babe. Thank you, my love. Ah. Lovely. Not so fluffy pancakes. I love it, sweetie. Thank you. Tapos ikaw first bite?
Yeah. No, just so I know that I don't give you food poisoning.
Bakit naman food poisoning?
I don't know.
Was good?
I mean, it's good with the eggs.